My name's Jeanette from Couatl Hoard. I do 3D printed miniatures for tabletop games. I focus on fantasy because I'm a giant Dungeons and Dragons nerd. I've been playing games for about 30 years. So you can see I've got lots of fantasy designs, some sci-fi, some horror, and just some absolute weirdos because that is my jam. So if you check out my shop here at Cancon or online, I hope you see some things that you enjoy. Thank you so much.
And I'll just take a quick walk around the stand just to include that the video, some of the amazing stuff that's here.
Thank you so much. I really do have a lot of fun making it and showing it off.
Especially this one.
I know it's a beast, right?
We all love beasts.
Top of it comes off.
Actually,
Yeah.
well, so we're still rolling on the video.
Sure.
Do you want to say a few words about this particular piece?
Oh, so this creature is an absolute beast. So a giant hog, or sow actually, with a butcher's shop on the back. The roof actually comes off the shop so that you can place a hero character inside, and have your hero being a butcher. Or place a villain in there for your heroes to fight and then free this pig from the horror of carrying a butchery on its back. Either way, it'd be a fun addition to somebody's campaign.
Well, I'm just going to say you can do your butchering here.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes.
Absolutely wild design. It was a lot of fun to make and put together, and I'm excited for someone to take it home.
Okay. Well, just have a little bit further look around
So here you see, this is the namesake of my shop. This is a Couatl, which is a winged snake of Mayan legend. It is one of the good aligned creatures. So it's actually a guardian being. Fantastic to have guarding a temple, or possibly as an opponent in an evil campaign. Look at the detail on these scales. It's come out so beautifully. And it'll be a joy to paint and to have on your games table. Pop him back down.
We'll swing around for the
We've
last
got some hand-painted things, which I bring to show off how well the material takes a paint job. They are for sale if you fall in love with one, but mostly it's just to show how well the texture comes up with some basic techniques. You get some really great results.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for that. And now I look forward to seeing you at other shows.
Fantastic.